Galatians chapter 2 verse 15 says, "We who are Jews by nature and not sinners of the Gentiles." This verse addresses a distinction during biblical times between Jewish heritage and Gentile identity in the context of spiritual salvation. The prayer name derived from this could be unity in grace, reflecting the unifying message of faith beyond cultural or historical divides. Today, you can apply this by striving for compassion and understanding, recognizing that faith and grace transcend boundaries. Whether in your personal relationships or community interactions, let your actions embody unity and acceptance, just as this scripture calls us to. If this message touched your heart, please follow, like, comment, and share.